You join me in a Mark 8.5 Golf GTI. For a bit of a point of view, we're in the Lake District around Kendal. I've just been in a Golf R, a Touareg R, as part of like a little bit of a VWR fun. And there are some insane roads, which genuinely for me felt like a Alps pass. So keen to share that with you on this short drive, and also to get re-familiar myself with the Mark 8.5 GTI. This is a standard car, non-DCC, one of the first in the UK. You might have seen it on my channel before, and we're gonna have a little bit of fun. I've actually got a GTI Club Sport next week to share, and to be honest with you, I'm sort of like, I'm curious to see the differences, because this car is a lot more affordable, yet it can still be super fun. And what we noticed as well, as I just slow it down for the national speed limit, all the sort of lane assists, travel assists, and all the fun comfort stuff, all the normal daily stuff, this felt very similar to the Mark 8.5 Golf R, and that was a black edition with DCC. This obviously does, as you felt there from the traction, it spun up a little bit. We're in sport mode. I don't believe we've got traction off. I believe you possibly can switch that off, but we got 265 PS from the 2 litre EA 888. We got an amazing little chassis and just such an amazing car. And I mean, you saw the wheels spin there. Yes, it's very cold. We're in November. Yes, it's greasy. But if you have any more power, that's what I'm curious about the Club Sport at 300. Is that too much? And even with the Edition 50 with 325, this feels like enough for me. And I mean, like, it's spinning, it's going for it. And hopefully you can see okay, because we're getting into the mist. And then this is what I noticed, it's like this little switchback. Oh, it's so much fun. I've got the owner next to me who's probably thinking, what are you doing? This car has done about 8,000 miles now? Yeah, just around about that. So the owner's had it about a year and a bit now, and has really, yeah, 7,599. And the car's been good. I really love the graphics on the nav. I think that looks cool. The car is handling brilliantly, and considering I was just in an R, this feels so much fun. Obviously a little bit lighter, but without that sort of rear steer. Oh man, what the heck? Okay, yeah, and this is actually a sub £40,000 car. So in UK terms, it means it's with the luxury car tax, it's less. You put your foot flat, it gets up to speed. Oh, I just think it's brilliant. So with the 8.5, you get obviously the physical buttons. It's a 7-speed DSG gearbox, customizable dash. I mean, what more could you want? The new 8.5 infotainment, and they're a really sorted car. And actually, we were just speaking literally to some professional racing drivers who were part of the VWR group, and they're like, GTI's a great car. And like, don't ever take it away that it's a next level step up. The R is great, it's great. Club Sport is also great. But don't forget about this guy, because this is the car that sets it all. It obviously weighs a little bit less as well. Only on the 18-inch wheels, no DCC, and we're soaking up the bumps fine. I feel comfortable. I think the brakes are the only thing I'm noticing which are not as big. You can tell they're not as big, but the car weighs a little bit less. And you're on these roads, and this is in the UK. Yes, you have to travel up to the Lake District to get to here, but it's super fun. And can we keep up with the 7.5 estate? That's the question. But the way it hits around, oh, it's just absolute. I love it. What, like, genuinely, I would happily have this car for the rest of my life. I've got a Mark 7 Golf R, which I've had for like 8 years. Never ever take it away from just the joys of having a car and the joys of just enjoying it. It's still a 2 litre EA 888 engine, and arguably it's going to last longer because it's 265 PS, so it's not as much strained as the 333. Oh, absolutely insane. And yeah, I feel blessed, you know, to meet subscribers and owners. I met the owner of this car just through the channel and shared it, and now have experiences like this, enjoying the car from someone who's lived with it for a long time as well and enjoyed it. And infotainment's been a lot better, sound system's great, it's family practical, car seat goes in, and yet when you hit a fun road, it's fun, and it proper pops and burbles, and it's loud when it starts as well. And this is a 74 plate car. Oh man, yeah, it's a little bit of burbles. And I'm just in auto, I'm not on the paddles, obviously smaller paddles on the GTI, but nonetheless I am loving it. And I asked the professional racing drivers, like I have a Mark 7 Golf R, and I asked them, would you have a Mark 7 or an 8.5? And they pretty much said 8.5. They're like, with that torque splitter, and actually mentioned that they preferred it to the RS3, with the RS3 sort of being more set up to being a bit more safer, a bit more understeery, whereas the R is a little bit more back end loose. This feels so much fun, and I've spent a lot of time driving Mark 7 and 7.5 GTIs. They increased the actual dynamism in this, and the gap between this at 265 PS to a 300 PS Club Sport, which I'm trying next week again, and I have driven plenty of times, it's not as big as you'd think. And on a fun little road like that, I've loved it. What an amazing time, amazing experience. And as the roads are now sort of ending and it's getting mistier, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I hope you've enjoyed this point of view in a Mark 8.5 GTI. And a huge thank you to the support from my subscribers, because yeah, you're the guys who get involved, and yeah, just an incredible experience, and hope you've enjoyed it. And thoughts in the comments on the Mark 8.5 Golf GTI. So I am in Kendal in the Lake District and come across VWR with their experience, and it's a super cool, super friendly people just chatting here. Yeah, I'll tag the Instagram actually. It's just amazing. There's a couple of cars from a VW dealer here. These are all black editions. Yeah, really nice. German sort of like Tuaregs are here, and yeah, Varmanor wheels on this car. I think a few UK press cars have come here. I think this is one of them. But yeah, cool experience. These cars are on winter tyres, these cars are on summer tyres, so it's a little bit more, let's just say, challenging. But super cool. They look great. I love the wing. It looks super special. Akrapovic exhaust as well.
It obviously is going to be more power than a GTI though. Yeah. The traction thing is one thing what you feel directly. I always feel though that when you put these cars into S, yeah, they always feel like they want to change up. They're like screaming to change up all the time.
So when you go to this driving mode special, we are in special.
Yeah, we're in special. So in special you only have S and S plus.
Yeah, but you can change up. So when you go to S plus, you can.
This car automatically has been very tuned to feel aggressive, I think. in this setting, like the aggressive down changes.
Oh, these roads.
It still just feels like driving my Golf.
Yep.
There's very little
I'm with you.
The grip feels better even at like 40, because you can feel the back is more direct. But it's very nice around here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Where are you coming from?
I'm from Cornwall originally, so I'm from like the south coast.
Okay. How many miles is it away from you?
Oh, from here about 400 miles.
Okay.
But I didn't come from there. I live in Stoke-on-Trent, which is about an hour and a half from here.
Okay, so not that far away.
No. But Sam came from London.
Yeah.
That isn't it?
Heads up display. I don't have to sell it. It has everything. It has everything. And it's a German car. Just let that right.
There's the one. This is the only one you could get at the moment. Oh, I don't know.